Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain how a bad fuel injector can slowly destroy your engine. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super quick video guys. We will explain if you need to find where fuel injector for cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is located on dot charger with a 3.6 engine. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. And we will talk why it's super important to fix a bad fuel injector, because practically it can destroy your engine in multiple ways. Stay with us, we'll explain why and how that can happen as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that dot charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your dot charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically here guys, this is a Dodge 2018 Dodge. That 3.6 engine is quite common on dot chargers guys that we see here. And that engine, if you look at it guys, okay, we have the upper intake manifold removed so we can get to the fuel injectors. Otherwise you will have only these 3 fuel injectors visible. Okay, let me get, I had a thing to show you with. You can see this is fuel injector right here, that's a connector. Fuel injector is right there. Then you have one there and one here. Now those are visible, the connectors are visible. The injectors, you cannot remove them without removing the upper intake manifold, no matter what you do. You can just access the connectors. On this side, they're right here facing backwards. In order to remove or replace injector, if you want to see how to do it, we have the complete video how to replace fuel injector on dot charger. You will need to remove the upper intake manifold. And here it's recommended every time to replace that gasket, because you can develop vacuum leaks, you can develop rough running engine, misfiring codes, lean fuel codes and things like that. So always replace those. Careful not to drop anything inside, like a tool, socket, nut, anything, because it will go in the engine and it will destroy it in seconds. But if you need to know guys, okay, where the injectors are and how bad injector can mess up your engine, let's talk about that now. Starting from the very left side facing the engine, we have fuel injector on cylinder number 1 here. Number 2 goes to this one. Then you go number 3 here. Number 4 over there. 5, 6. You can see that's how they go. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Talking about that now guys, how a bad fuel injector can destroy your engine. If you have a leaking fuel injector, means that it will not be closing. When it's not closing, it will spray extra fuel in the cylinder. That extra fuel, okay, can affect the car in many ways. Can cause rich fuel mixture. That rich fuel mixture may cause the fuel not to burn correctly in the cylinder and end up burning in the exhaust system, which can burn catalytic converters and oxygen sensors, which is, by the way, very expensive to fix. Another thing that can easily happen when you have a leaking fuel injector, okay, it can start diluting your engine oil with fuel, because the fuel will go around the piston rings, end up in the oil pan. It will dilute the engine oil with gasoline. That oil will not lubricate so good at that point, and you can end up having a bad connecting rod bearing or crankshaft bearing or even bad cylinder heads. Another thing, it can lead to even water seizing your engine, because if the cylinder fills up with fuel and when you try to start it, the piston will try to go up, you can practically bend connecting rod or snap connecting rod. We've seen that happen as well guys. So bad fuel injector can destroy your engine. Okay, believe it or not, we've seen it happen a couple of times here at the shop, and one of them was a broken connecting rod, the other one was where it diluted the engine oil and needed new bearings, new crankshaft and new rod bearings. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.